going on, guys? My name's Joe and welcome to the first official video of Everything's AMG. Today we are heading over to EMP Performance in St Albans in my 2014 C63 Amg Coupe W204. Let's go. So we're here at EMP Performance. Let's get the car in, get it on the ramp and get them secondary cats taken off. Right, so we've just got the car back from EMP. I'm going to give it a blast. I'm going to do the window closed and the window open just to get an idea on cabin noise, and with the window open as well. Yeah, here we go. This is with the window open. As you can tell, there's a massive difference in noise. Huge. Okay, right, we're going to close the window now. See what the cabin noise is like with the secondary cat deleted. Or not actually, because we're stuck behind some big ass lorry. So just going to skip forward. Okay, now that's over. We can do the test with the window closed. See how it comes out. Unless you've ever owned one of these and actually driven one of these, you don't realise how much this car makes you smile. No matter how much it costs in fuel, running costs, whatever, this car will guarantee you a smile every single time you get in it, whether you've had it for a week, 6 months, a year, 2 years. It's just one of them cars, and I don't really think there's like another car out there made like this at all. I'm not going to lie, I'm very, very impressed. Just the secondary cat delete and the car sounds amazing. I don't think I'm going to do the resonator, I don't think I'm going to do the primary cats or the back boxes, straight part of the whole system. I've seen a lot of cars like it, and they just become so unsociable. Like, you can't drive them properly, they're just loud, they're just unnecessary. So I think I'm going to stick with this for now, but I mean, that could change obviously, do you know what I mean? So, right, so I did a cold start at the beginning of the video. I'm going to do another cold start, but obviously you're going to have to wait until tomorrow for that. So I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. That didn't take long, did it? Right, yeah, so we're going to get the cold start out of the way, see if there's any difference in sound with that, and then we're going to go on to doing some videos of outside acceleration. So
SONY Watson, it's 23 minutes.
So basically, camera outside, me accelerating away from the camera just to get the idea of that sound, and then there's also going to be some videos as well, just revving videos outside the vehicle, obviously, just to see if there's any difference in sound while revving the vehicle up. So I'll see you guys in a minute. And there you have it, secondary cat delete on the Mercedes C63. Now I would like to add, this will not make your car fail MOT because you still have the primary cats. I have left the resonator in, I haven't taken the resonator out, and I don't think I'll be taking the resonator or the primary cats out at all. I don't want to lose that V8 sound. But obviously let me know what you guys think and feel in the comment box below. I really want to recommend EMP Performance in St Albans. They're a fantastic company, very professional and very friendly to work with. I will be leaving their website link and Instagram down below. Please drop me a comment and tell me what you guys think and feel. And if you like this video, please subscribe and keep up to date with my weekly content that I'll be uploading. Take care guys, see you in the next episode.